boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a song from Gavin Magnus, first time on this channel, I believe, not sure. Anyway, this song is called Lifeline, and this is not the typical guitar song, but I try my best to kind of replicate the good sound and cool sound in the song, and it's very simple to play. So let's go and check this one out. Cape on first, absolute best scenario. We have 3 simple chords, so let's learn the chords first. We have C first, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor as the second one. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And finally we have the D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so let's go and learn the strumming pattern. We have a 2-part strumming here to really get this cool beat and rhythm going on here. And of course you can do this in 2,000 different ways. I do it in my way, so that's what I'm going to teach you right now. Grab the first chord C, and the first half goes like this. Okay, so you're going to play down, down, up, clap. And then you finish off with up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's the first half, part 1. And then the second is up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so there we have it. Now, the first half in the song goes C, 1 full round, that means both parts, and then E minor, 1 full round. Okay, that's the first half. So C1, E minor 1. The second half is C1, then E minor, part 1, the down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, and then D, part 1 again, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that's the second half, and that just rolls through the entire song. So the complete chord progression, if you want to say and mention that, is C1, E minor 1, then C1, E minor part 1, D part 1, like this. And second round. That's it, guys. Magnus, Lifeline. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, support me back. I see all your comments and also everything you do for me here, like the likes and subscribe, yeah, all that good stuff. Thank you so much, and play tuned.